Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to Lily's Foods. Now guys, today I'm making popcorn chicken. This is so nice, so yummy, everything that you want guys. Now you follow me, let's go through this properly. So guys, I'm going to make homemade buttermilk. 1 cup warm milk, add in a tablespoon of lemon juice. Now guys, please try to make sure that you use a more ready lemon than mine. I'm sorry, this is what I had, so I decided to go with this, but make sure I use a more ready lemon than mine. It was hard to get the juice out and it will come off much better with a more ready lemon. Cut your chicken into small sizes, small even sizes, as you can see guys. Now you're going to add this in a bowl and we are going to season it or marinate it. Let's say we are going to marinate it. Yes, I'm using a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of black pepper. Yes, I have my Royco there, and a mixed spices, ginger, garlic, yes, so I used mixed spices there. Now you're going to mix this in there properly. I added my 2 spoons of salt and a bit of sugar. Okay guys, now add your buttermilk in there, mix it in there properly, cover with cling or anything that you have, and put it in the fridge and let it marinate for 30 minutes. Now in another bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half cup cornflour, yes, salt, paprika, cumin, Royco in there, and mix properly. Mix your flour properly, your seasoned flour properly. Now yes, get your chicken out of the fridge and try to sieve it. And as you can see guys, add it in the flour, mix it properly. This will make it easy because you know your chicken is a lot and you don't want to be slow. So just put it in there, shake it up, and it's going to come out like that. So in a hot pan, add your oil. When it's ready, please add in your chicken. Yes, now try to cook on medium heat so that it doesn't overcook. And guys, please try to make sure that you don't overcook it, like you don't dry it out. Yes, 5 to 10 minutes this is going to be done, so that you want your chicken to be nice and juicy and not just dry. You want it to be a bit juicy. Yes, so this is our popcorn chicken guys. Really nice, really easy. You are going to love it, trust me. Yes guys, so it's here looking nice. As you can see, I have my sauce there. I have my tomato sauce there. You can use ketchup. Guys, it's really tasty. Now remember, you don't have to worry about your oil getting too dirty doing this. Please don't throw it away. I have a recipe up there. I show you how to clean your oil. Please check it out. When you're done with this recipe, you can go and clean your oil and then store it like it's new. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. God bless you my people. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Ciao.